March without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is
This was way much than last year.
Huh?
This was not much than last year.
A bit less.
It's less than last year.
It's not much?
It's more than last year.
Change over first.
Go.
That's TJ.
Just like you just drained forward, Carl. What does it look like?
What do you think? What's that?
Huh?
What do you think?
You
Skuya.
gotta open it.
Are they wanting me in again?
Who's down there?
Merry Christmas, Santa. You always go to my shop and eat those.
What the hell's that one?
Merry Christmas.
Holy from Mum and Dad. I wonder what she got me, guys.
That's for you. What's that say, Joe?
Open it.
You got a hat?
Mom, this is from you.
Yeah.
Wait for Holly, wait for Holly. Holly, go open that, Holly.
I'll be first in that one.
Okay. Wait for Holly.
Yay! You can make your own of them.
Yeah, okay. Another one. For
Zach,
Holly, Holly. Holly.
here, put that in the bin, Bob.
Put it in the bin,
Put that
Baba.
in the bin. Holly.
Where? Yeah. What?
I think that's...
Yay! Come on, what's that?
Read that one. From who?
From Santa.
And respect.
Thank you.
Well, that's Holly's. Here.
Holly, you got another one, Baba.
I got two. I got two.
Oh, wait. Ano na muna. Kuya, go there, Kuya.
Hey, Joe.
I got two presents.
Wait, did you read the message?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, remove that from the box first. Remove from the box first.
Oh, I'll just say I typed the two.
What? What you gonna say to Santa?
Thank you. Do I said that now?
So you got,
Thank you.
So all them
No,
discs,
no, but you can play PlayStation and phone on that.
yeah, but them discs won't go in there.
Yeah, it will.
There's no disc.
Yes, there is. No, it's like this. This is a... Oh. Because this one's a slim. Oh.
Oh, you're a gamer,
Let's
Teresa.
unbox it.
Wow. Okay.
But you have to download all your games.
Yeah, I know. That's what
Yeah, but what about all them? You want to take them all
Yeah,
up?
PS4 games.
Yeah, they still working them.
Yeah,
But
you can play this game in there.
you can't because
Yes, you can. Yeah, in the one that the disc. You can play this game in there.
where do you put the disc?
Oh yeah, true. I forgot.
That's what I mean. All the games, you can get a disc one or one with no disc. Just so then you get all your games online.
Wait, is this he only
What?
Huh?
it's 1 TB.
1 terabyte. It's a lot of space.
Storage.
Wow, sack of
That
brain.
one's 1 TB. So if you
Oh,
want
okay.
to get that one and put it out here.
Look, someone feels it's. Oh,
Yeah, but he. Oh, you know I can play that. On the PlayStation.
That's both of you.
No, I'm having that one.
Why? How you don't want this one?
Because this is apparently something wrong.
No, that's for both of you.
But there's only one controller.
What you gonna see, Susanta?
Feel it.
This is like a box.
Ah, yeah, go, Baba.
We are twinkle twinkle.
I'll see.
Did you unplug it right?
No. Yeah. Can I open
Watch
it now?
that.
No.
Huh?
Look at that.
What? I want a new controller. It's broken.
What?
I'm playing and I'll have to
There's a blind bag in it.
Yeah, I want
But I
to
think I'm trying to know what this is.
It's a surprise. And the rest you can open it later, okay?
It's like you're going to pull out.
Okay.
It's a pop mark makes something fun.
Someone might knock it. Where's the other one?
Mom.
Where's the red one?
No, it's the one. The new one.
Wow! Thank you. I still
The rest you can open it later, okay?
Where's the white?
Oh, it's like it's the small
Baba?
one.
Ito si Twinkle Twinkle, guys. Ang cute.
The Toby said he pays
I got
$130 a year and you get all the
Who
games.
you got?
little happiness.
Little Happiness.
Good luck.
What's that?
Where's the white controller?
I don't know.
It's broken up. You should know. You hear that.
I'm hoping
Yeah,
it's this one.
yeah, what's the other one
That one
for?
looks
Oh,
like
that
my
one's just a
favourite.
charger. Oh, Zach doesn't have a headset.
No, you
Oh,
can talk from
oh
here.
yeah.
And you can talk from here.
Is it? This
Yeah,
down
it's
now?
it's on. It's on.
It
It's
doesn't
on.
say it's on.
It's on. There's probably no point getting me.
I reckon.
Just my car's in the caravan. Oh, actually.
Egg, parang egg talaga siya.
Hey,
Circles. Make sure you read shit before you start pressing, Zach.
Oh, it's a
You just
pink
like
one.
The pink one?
Yeah,
Alright, I'm
but
just saying, just
it
read
has
shit
the
before you just
purple
press OK.
scalp, so
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy.
What's this?
That's
low
cute.
power
Why?
use.
Why?
Low power use.
Yeah. When you're not like,
Oh, maybe. What's that?
Hey, that was
The
only
tail.
Kmart.
Alright guys, let's see. You can see
16 minutes.
downloading the updated file.
Oh, it's purple, Baba.
I'll put the PlayStation back in the room. Look at
It's a purple
this.
shell.
Yeah.
Shake, try me,
feel like they
shake
rock
and
away.
sparkle.
That would only take like 15 minutes.
Try shake.
Yeah, we're just going to now.
Yeah, not till like 12, aren't we?
Ah, other than that.
What time?
I knew there was
Ah,
going to be like a
okay.
PS4 or PS5.
Yeah.
Did not.
Yes, I did.
When I looked at it, I mean,
Alright, let's work out what this is. This is the Monster Park.
Love,
Minutes.
love, love, love.
Alright, so which one should I wish for? I want to wish for maybe this, one of them.
I told you where to open. There's.
how long was that?
Breathtaking impressions. Stunning games, Zach. I think better graphics.
I can't see guys.
I've got 2 and 2, so I should prefer to.
Yeah, we can find them, remember? The duels together?
Yeah.
Are you playing that in it?
No.
I'm playing it.
Oh! Yaya.
Yaya, that's Yaya.
No.
You want Yaya?
This is pop art.
That's Trico.
Alright.
Wait, there's nothing. Oh, you can unfold it.
Reversible, Baba. Meron pa siya, pero sa kulay, ano na, next time niya nabuksan. Merry Christmas, guys! Nakaligo na pala ako. And naiinis ako kayo dyan kasi habang naliligo ako, ginawa niya na yung lobster. Yung tinapon niya yung ulo, yung may amoy ano, aligay. Naiinis talaga ako. Ito na pala siya, oh. Ito na pala. Ito na yung lobster. Ano na lang, legs at saka yung meat. Sabi, kung ako nito, ay, wala kasi ako nung ginawa niya. Nasa shower ako. Ayan na yung, ano, yung tail. Naiinis talaga ako. Kung nandito ako nung ginawa niya to, ang plano ko ay... Wait, baba. Ang plano ko, yung tail, hiwain lang. Para yung shell, nandun pa rin. Alam mo yun? Pero i-press niya na para easy sa iba kainin.
I'm going to my lip trim now.
No, not yet, baby.
Yeah.
No, whatever. Para maganda tingnan. Pero wala, tinanggal niya. Tinanggal niya yung shell. Siya ilagay. Ay, naku, naiinis ako. Naiinis ako kasi gusto ko yung ano doon, yung, alam niyo yung parang ali-aligay. Ano kung ba bakit niya, nakalimutan niya siguro. Maghiwa ko ng, ano, ng kamatis. At saka cucumber para i-garnish ko dito. Nag-ano lang muna ako ng PJs kasi magluluto pa ng spring rolls. Para hindi maamoy yung amoy ulam yung ating damit mamaya. Si Sak, naglalaro na ng bagong PS. Si Kuya, di ba may isa pa yung PS4? Ang plano doon,
Hey, it's hot.
yaba, may PS5 na siya. Ang plano doon, itatapon na kasi maingay na siya. And sa totoo lang, ayaw ko yung PS. Gusto ko lang masira yung PS para wala na. Pero wala na kasi kami may isip na ipang regalo sa kanila. Kaya, yun ang kinuha namin. Yung PS5. Kasi, ano pa, wala na talaga. Parang lahat nabigay na namin sa kanila. Hindi naman sila naglalaro ng toy. Yung, alam niyo yun? Kay Holly, surfboard. Kasi gustong-gusto niya mag-surf. Wala kayong makitang pink. Kaya, ang kinuha ay blue. Mainit ngayon, 35 degrees, pero uulan. So, ilalagay ko lang to sa ibabaw para may, nawala na kasi yung pula. Yung shell ba? So, parang hindi na siya maganda, hindi na appealing. Lagay na lang tayo nito. And, isasalang ko yung ating, ito yung kasaba kagabi. Ayan. Pinapainit ko lang yung ating oven. Si Kuya nandun sa isang kwarto, doon din siya naglalaro. May kausap din siya. Pero may rules. May rules. Naglagay ng note si Santa. May rules yan. Okay, cucumber. Wala kasi akong lettuce. Ayan na lang guys, ang natira. Ayan na. Ganyan. Tapos yung laman. Ilagay ko lang dito sa ilalim para may kakulayan siya. Hala, magpainit na pala ako ng ano, oil. Sa spring roll. Para multitasking tayo. Kumunti tuloy. Baka mainit na yun. Salang lang ako. Ayan, naremedyohan. Oh, okay na siya.
Will there be fried rice, sir?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook fried rice pa pala.
Oh, you didn't cook rice.
I did, last night.
Oh. Where did you get the rice?
No, I'm gonna cook. Yeah, I'm
No,
gonna
where
do.
did you get it from?
Huh?
Oh, you
Coles and Asian store. Lagay ko na to
No,
sa
are you putting vegetables in it?
Yes, of course. Yeah, egg. Alright.
That's me. That's me.
Kat, get dressed na sa.
I'm wearing my shorts. What shorts?
Hindi pa kami pala nakapagpa-picture, guys. Itong mga batang to, lagi na lang may ganap din. Okay. So, i-bake ko lang siya hanggang mag golden brown. So, ito na pala yung ating spring rolls. Yan yung ating kasaba na kasalang na. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko yung fried rice. Dadamihan ko yung garlic. Yung mga dalawang ganito. Halo ko yung niluto kong eggs, bacon, tsaka yung carrots and peas. So ngayon, isusutay naman natin yung garlic. Ito, luto na to.
Chili ready, Mom? Are you dressed? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Nasa car na pala kami, guys. Eh, hindi ko nabanggit sa inyo, doon kami kila Auntie Mel. Originally, dapat sa Baker Christmas. Kaso nag-change, doon na lang tayo kila Auntie Mel. And nagkulot ako, guys. And eto yung suit natin na dami. Hindi ko na pakita sa inyo kasi minamadali na ako ni. Say Merry Christmas.
What's rattling?
Say Merry Christmas.
What's rattling?
This.
Okay, Merry Christmas, guys. Ang init ngayon. 35 outside. Hindi pa pala ako nakalagay ng press on nails. Dito na lang sa car natin gawin. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Dito na kami, guys. And ito pa lang yung natapos ko. Tapos ito isa. And wala yung apat. Okay. So wala pang tao. Kami pa lang. Ayan. Yung ating food. Yan pala. Ito yung dala natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait. This is for the house, Baba. Ayan. Kompleto na siya, guys. Yan. And yan. Wala pa naman tao kaya natapos natin yung ating kuko. Okay, baba na. Si Sak pala dinala ako ng cherry. Come on. So hindi kami doon sa labas. Supposed to be doon kami sa labas kasi sobrang init. So dito yung fruits and lollies. And yung food doon sa kabilang room. And ayan yung veggies. Si Auntie Mel, ang daming gown up dito ni Auntie Mel. Ayan, niluluto niya pa. Ayan, usually sa labas. Diba? Kung maalala niya. Ayan yung bread rolls. And si Holly, hawak-hawak niya yung kanyang friend. Ayan yung rose lamb, right, Auntie Mel? Ang tamis ng ano. This is very sweet. Yeah. Ako maubos ko na to. Ah. Ah, it's all like.
Go feed
Ten. It looks nice. It looks nice. Rose Park naman yung hahatiin niya.
Oh, we can put that.
Yum. Kapit na tayo matapos dito. Well, si Auntie Mel, nililipat na namin yung mga hot food doon sa kabilang room. And may malaking aso. Andito na lahat ng food. You did? And what you got?
Got a little picture.
Ah, frame.
Jesse?
Give it to Auntie Mel.
What are we gonna put in here?
I don't know. Uncle Jay's face.
Merry Christmas.
Was it Aldi we got them from?
bonbons. Okay.
Dad, what's it called?
Oh,
Children, sorry. What's this? Ah, you're right. It looks like the one I made, the dessert.
Yeah. That's why I thought, let's put that somewhere else.
Which one?
no, but he came into the store and had a look.
Ayan yung food namin.
After his appointment, he came.
After this side, after that side, after that side, after that side.
Oh, what's this? Bowling.
Where's the mom?
Mom,
Yeah. Yeah.
Might be next on the list.
What is this? This is so strong.
yay!
You got it. May pagkadaya-daya. Madaya itong isa. See? Madaya ka kasi sa. What's that? Oh, that's for Uncle Jay's. Give that to Uncle Jay's. Can open
I got a
that.
yo-yo.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else.
Where is it? Right here?
Yeah.
There's one of
Too far away,
And then I
Oh.
she's divorced.
She's just to get the job.
No, you don't
Just
do it
a
like that.
little
You go like this.
Yeah, Holly.
You're going, you said.
February, but
Hey guys! Tapos na pala kayong kumain and natanggal na yung mga pagkain dyan. Next na ilalagay mamaya-maya kasi sobrang busog pa kami ay yung dessert. Kasi sobrang busog. Sarap ng mga
Mom,
pagkain.
we're opening presents after we do the dishes. They do the dishes.
Okay, nagugas lang si Auntie Mel.
So,
Well, dishwasher.
Mom, come and tell us when
You've got your. I know which one.
Sunbathing kami dito sa labas.
Victoria.
Mga bata sa loob.
It's
Kami
A.
dito.
That's where we put Riker in. Well, we have a tree today.
Hindi pa kami nagdi-dessert kasi sobrang busog pa kami. Presents time. Yeah. Auntie Mel. You did.
That's not me normal.
What is it?
Holy hell.
Didn't you have all your stuff in it? With all your essential stuff?
What's? Oh, you're a singer.
Oh, you're gonna get those teeth now, Tony.
Oh my goodness. I'll take your time.
Us, Brad.
Look after it.
It's like a pet. It's a pet. You gotta feed it. You gotta,
Oh,
yeah.
Always
Still got them.
it's a game. What are you gonna say?
Oh, I have 4.
Oh, I got 4.
Oh, I have 4.
Oh, I got 4. Oh, what's inside? What's that? The bracelets and then the jewelry box, Baba.
You want it? No. That's all. I feel like I know what you want.
Oh, you got. Wow. What are you gonna say to Auntie Talana? Oi, what are you gonna say to Auntie Talana? Bread. PS? Ah. Gift card.
And this one's from Nana.
Oh, what are you gonna say to Nana?
Thank you.
Thanks, Nana.
I think that's that. It doesn't have a name on it.
Oh, no, that's mine. That's mine. There's PlayStation, Kuya. No? From Nana.
Yeah, I saw that.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's because you need
What
to
did the card
present an Xbox.
Hopefully it was to Zach.
Yeah, it says that.
Zach.
Whoa!
Wow. What are you gonna say to Nana?
You gotta hide the money. Yeah, with King Sing.
So that one can go outside the caravan, no, Auntie Mel? You can try that outside the caravan.
What link is it?
2-1.
Sex can't wait, Auntie Mel.
Nails.
Oh yeah, press on nails. So you can say, God, Auntie Mel, say thank you.
You can practice cooking on TJ.
Nahiya na si Kuya.
TJ needs nails.
Well, charger. You gotta charge it up.
We have to charge that one, Baba.
Let's just watch it.
Wow, Zach. Oh, you got, wow, that's a lot.
Same time, same time.
Same time, wait.
Go.
What do you reckon? Cricket set.
Ready?
What do you reckon it
You got
is?
any idea?
Ready?
Yes.
Guess.
Cricket set. A double wrap.
Oh.
One.
Wow.
Oh, it's a flag running.
Yeah, kailangan na nila yan kasi malaki na sila.
Yeah, you can put that on your back on your bike and then have to live at home.
Set it up under the annex and you'll be right. Or whatever we got.
What? What?
Well, there's just reviews in there.
Get from up.
These.
Huh?
What were they?
Rubik's Cubes.
Oh, Socks are genius, right?
Can you still do that song?
Yeah, I can. I don't know about the title.
Oh wow, ready.
Put it in my bloody pencil case.
It's a light and a fan that you can hang inside this flag.
Wow!
Need a heater down here.
Such
What's
a
it look like,
bag.
mate?
Oh. Huh? Such a bag to go
What's it
with
look
the
like?
flag.
Kuya, use your brain.
I reckon that one.
Ano sasabihin? What are you gonna say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, grab all the wrappers, please. Oh, I got one too. Yay! Thanks.
Mama's got something for now.
Ay, paano pa tayo magda-diet? From Uncle Jay's. Thank you. Who's leaving, Auntie Mel? Who's that bag? For Nana Helen. Where are you going, Nana Helen?
Where you going?
You're going for holiday? Where are you going, Nana Helen? Oh.
Was that King
I know what that is.
Oh, you got. Wow. What are you gonna say to Auntie Talana? Oi, what are you gonna say to Auntie Talana? Bread. PS? Ah. Gift card.
And this one's from Nana.
Oh, what are you gonna say to Nana?
Thank you.
Thanks, Nana.
I think that's that. It's got a name on it.
Oh, no, that's mine. That's mine. There's PlayStation, Kuya. No. From Nana.
Yeah, I saw that.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's because you
What
need
is
to
the
present
cost?
an Xbox.
Hopefully it was to Zach.
Yeah, it says that.
Zach.
Whoa!
Wow. What are you gonna say to Nana?
You gotta buy for money. Yeah, with a king thing.
So that one can go outside the caravan, no, Auntie Mel? You can try that outside the caravan.
What length is it?
2-1.
Nice, no?
Yeah, no, at least you can get.
Is that sour?
No.
Oh, it's not. It.
I don't even care.
No reaction. Is it sour? Let me try, Holly. I'm just gonna bite.
Hello, Mama.
Ah, yuck. It is sour, but Brad can. Gonna play cricket now? Oh, laro na silang cricket. Ang init sa labas.
Come on, lay down.
Oh,
Oh! Too far.
Remember that time you had that golf ball?
Laro na silang cricket. Wala. Pinaandar na yung sprinkler. Sobrang init. Ano sila. Si Oli mag-change siya ng kanyang baiters.
Lay it there. Don't touch it.
It's cold now.
That's the whole idea of it.
You're too hot before, now you're cold. Malamig kasi ang tubig. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, we had them last.
Yeah, nice. Ayan yung dessert. Yeah. Dessert. Meron tayo ditong passion fruit.
What's that other one we got out now?
Passion fruit. Last year, in-order din to ni Auntie Mel.
You go first. No, you
Yeah, I know. That's $20 a month. Isn't it?
So nice. Oh, so nice. Oh, wow.
Sarap.
That means he's out.
Mga bata paplo ba yan, kuya?
Let me
Bilog na sa labas.
Got too soon?
open up.
Yeah. He hit the steel? Yeah, hit the steel.
Hi guys. Bahay kaarating lang namin sa bahay. Anong oras na? 6:45. Si Sak, ilalagay nyo lang sa labas yung mga boxes. And, yeah, yun yung aming Christmas party. Hindi pala kami ngayon kompleto. Kasi, umuwi si Ma'am sa Philippines. So, dapat yung Christmas party namin kung nandito sila sa shed. Kaso nga umuwi sila. Kaya kila Auntie Mal na lang kami Christmas. But, yeah, si Brad kasi ulit grabing laro nilang dalawa. Yeah?
Can I stay there because we're selling them?
What? You're selling what?
All them games.
The games?
Yeah, we can't sell them.
Alright. So, ibibenta raw nila yung mga PS4 nila. Kasi yung bagong PS nila kasi walang insertan ng disc. So, but how about the other one? You can still play with that one, right?
Yeah, I don't play that. I don't play them.
Oh, okay. Alright. So, yun na guys yung vlog natin. Merry Christmas! And, nag-take away kami kasi ang daming ulam doon.
Guys.
And, ayan. You have fun with Brad? Ha?
Yes.
Yeah, grabe yung laro nila as in maghapon talaga. So, let's close the vlog. Thank you. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Bye. Bye guys. Merry Christmas. Yung buhok ko. Kulot pa din. Ay, hindi na. Bumagsak na. Okay, good night. Okay, bye guys. Maglilinis ako kasi yung mga hugasan ko. Ayan. Naghugas ako.